Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 11th January. Let's start. In the year of 1613, on this day, Emperor Jahangir of the Mughal Empire allowed the East India Company to set up a factory in Surat. In the year of 1779, on this day, Ching Thang Khomba was crowned the king of Manipur. In the year of 1787, on this day, Titania and Oberon, two moons of Uranus, were discovered by William Herschel. In the year of 1830, on this day, Alabama's first publicly chartered college, La Grange College, now the University of North Alabama, was started. In the year of 1842, on this day, William James, the famous American philosopher and psychologist, was born. William James wrote the book Principles of the Psychology for the Study of Psychology. He separated psychology from philosophy, so he is also considered the father of psychology. In the year of 1849, on this day, Elizabeth Blackwell became the first woman in America to earn a medical degree. In the year of 1860, on this day, Sridhar Pathak, one of the famous poets of India, was born. In the year of 1861, on this day, Alabama seceded from the United Nations during the American Civil War. In the year of 1922, on this day, the first insulin was given to diabetic patients. In the year of 1944, on this day, Shivu Soren, an Indian politician, was born, who had served as the Chief Minister of Jharkhand thrice. In the year of 1954, on this day, Kailash Satyarthi, a Nobel laureate who raised his voice against child labor, was born. He was jointly awarded the Nobel Peace Prize with Malala Yousafzai in 2014. In the year of 1958, on this day, Babulal Marandi, the first Chief Minister of the Indian state of Jharkhand, was born. In the year of 1962, on this day, an avalanche and rock slide in the northwest part of Peru kills 2,000 people. In the year of 1966, on this day, former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri, who gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, passed away in Tashkent. His death is still a mystery. In the year of 1973, on this day, Rahul Dravid, the former captain of India and the famous cricketer known as the Ball, was born. He has 13,288 runs in 164 tests and 10,889 runs in 344 ODIs. He has been appointed as the head coach of the Indian cricket team on 3 November 2021. In the year of 1990, on this day, Ram Chatur Malik, singer of Dhrupad Dhamar genre, passed away. The Dhrupad Dhamar styles are the oldest forms of Hindustani music that are still practiced today. In the year of 2005, on this day, Reliance had paid Rs 84 crore to BSNL. The fine was imposed on Reliance for routing international calls like local calls. In the year of 2008, on this day, Sir Edmund Hillary, the first climber of Mount Everest and philanthropist, passed away. In the year of 2009, on this day, the film Slumdog Millionaire, who won the Best Film Award at the 66th Golden Globe Awards. In the year of 2015, on this day, Kolinda Grabar Kitarovic became the first female Prime Minister of Croatia. In the year of 2020, on this day, Tsai Ing-wen won Taiwan's presidency in an election dominated by the Iceland's ties with China and is re-elected. In the year of 2021, on this day, Bangladesh was selected as the country of focus for the 51st International Film Festival of India, IFFI. In the year of 2021, on this day, the Reserve Bank of India cancelled the license of Maharashtra-based Basant Dada Nagari Sehkari Bank with immediate effect. In the year of 2021, on this day, the ice climbing festival was celebrated for the first time in the Nubra Valley of Leh. The 7-day event was organized by Nubra Adventure Club. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.